naman ang problema natin. So, we need to improve our water catchment facilities here in Cordillera because they affect also downstream to Pangasinan, even to my province of Tarlac. Thirdly, it's developing, once again, our competitive advantage in the Cordillera. What's that? Sustainable ecotourism. And what's the problem with that? Access. Access by way of improving the Halsema Road and traversing east to west. We might have to open up roads to Abra. No? You know why also? It is a truism in terms of counterinsurgency. You build the road, 50% of the problem is gone. No? Now, Baguio City Airport, it should always be maintained and open. I will not allow closure of Baguio Airport. Why? In case Marcos, Nagilian, and Quezon are not usable, Baguio has an airport, which is very important. That airport is C-130 capable. We can use it to bring in much needed supplies. There also needs to be the planning for a fourth south-north road traversing Baguio. We remember when Baguio was cut off with Ondoy, yung fuel supplies natin were only lasting how many days? Cannot be allowed to happen in the long run.
Ano pong message niyo sa...
Ang message ko sa ating